Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Andito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng soulful and meaningful na taring. Dito naman po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tara Channel. Ating pong reading and pagsasamahan ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Taurus. Okay? Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading ngayon at di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, follow na rin po. And if you want to avail a private reading, kayo lang po mag-message sa akin, direkta. Hindi po ako yung unang mag-message sa inyo to offer a private reading, scammer po yun. Okay, please, manggagaya po yan ng picture, ng account name, everything, mag-re-upload ng videos, but the legit one is i-check niyo po yung dami ng followers. Alright? So, ulitin ko po, hindi po ako yung magme-message sa inyo to offer a private reading. Kayo po ang unang mag-chat sa akin. Dito po sa account na ito. Alright? So, sige. Kunin na natin ang isang pong baraha, Taurus. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Saint Michael, give me 10 cards please for Taurus. Alright? 3, 4, Saint Michael. 6 cards more please for Taurus. 5, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 6, 7, last 3 cards, Saint Michael. Oh, nagpakita sila ang dami. Alright, sige, ayusin natin. Last 3 cards please. 8, 9, 1 more. Eto, okay, sige. Thank you so much, Saint Michael, for the 10 cards. I know Taurus peeps. Mga soulmates kong Taurus ay ready na. Alright, wag na nating patagalin pa ito. Let's begin. Ooh, Emperor. This is very interesting, Taurus, ha? Because I can see may mga Taurus na nagmamanifest ng something about movement or elevation in a certain position. Maaring promotion ito, paglipat ng lugar, paglipat ng trabaho, something about movement into a higher position, into a medyo, a powerful, something like that. So, Taurus, are you waiting for something? May kinalaman sa pag-move, paglipat, paggalaw? With the Emperor card, I can feel a very good energy, although nakataob pa yung 9 cards natin dito, Taurus. But this is very promising, sabi ko nga, because the Emperor card is here, so it means something is about to change in your life, Taurus, for the better. Okay, lilipat ka sa mas mataas. Tingnan natin dito. Pangalawa, Death card. Alright, so Death card is about ending. So, closure. So, pag may nawawala, kapag may natatapos, because it is also a rebirth card. So, it means, sabi ko nga, your situation na maybe you've been stagnant for a long time, walang progress, mabagal yung growth, parang, everything is like, seems very heavy para sa inyo, Taurus. So, with the Death card here, expect that it is going to end, whether you like it or not, o hindi mo pa kaya siyang layuan, tapusin, tanggalin, the universe will make a way to end that thing for your betterment, for your own growth and progress, okay? So, Taurus, with the Death card here, expect a rebirth, a transformation that is waiting for you. It's because, kumbaga, sa overdue na ito, Taurus, kasi matagal mo nang nasa sitwasyon ka na parang ang bigat-bigat. It seems that everything was falling to pieces for you. Parang feeling mo wala na talagang pag-asa, feeling mo hopeless itong situation mo. But with the Death card here, everything is about to change for you. Alright? Pangatlo, 7 of Cups. So talaga nasa sitwasyon ka na gulong-gulo yung isipan mo. Ang daming tumatakbo sa isip mo, you don't know what to do, you don't know where to start, hindi mo alam yung mga taong kung sino mga lalapitan mo, saan ka magsisimula. With the 7 of Cups here, it seems that, I understand you. Naintindihan kita kung bakit magulo yung isip mo, kung bakit dumating sa puntong ganito na litong-lito ka. It's because you really want to move away from that situation. Gusto mong makaalis dyan sa sitwasyon na yan na talagang bigat na bigat ka. Toxic, unhealthy friendship environment, working environment, alright? So, relationship na talagang medyo, kumbaga, patapos na, it's like, it's going to fall, pero medyo nilalaban mo pa, kahit tinitiis mo, kahit medyo masakit, or kumbaga, parang hindi na talaga, but still, Taurus, nakikita ko rin. That's why you are bombarded. Your mind is buggling with a lot of things running on your mind. So, kaya, gulong-gulo ka dito. Okay, nasa sitwasyon ka talagang litong-lito ka sa current situation mo. Pang-apat, King of Pentacles. I know you've been manifesting stability. Taurus. So, isa din sa nakakadagdag dito sa kaguluhan sa isip mo, sa mabigat na sitwasyon mo ngayon, it's because you really want your life to improve, especially kapag pera pinag-usapan. You want progress, you want growth in the area, okay? In the aspect of finances or money with the King of Pentacles here, okay? So, Taurus, with the King of Pentacles na nagpakita dito, sabi ka, comes with the ending, with the death card and transformation na parating sa'yo. Expect also, okay, with the Emperor card, so I can see here that your manifestation will be rewarded kasi this also signifies God, universe. So, Taurus, itong lahat ng pinag-pray mo, lahat itong pinaglalaban mo or kang minamanifest mo for a long time, especially stability, improvement, tungkol sa kaperahan, makakaroon na yan ng solusyon. Unti-unti, hindi man to biglaan, hindi to one time, big time, but at least you can feel the ease, medyo gagaan ang lahat. You will be moving forward like, naramdam mo na kumbaga kahit pa paano merong big improvement na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Okay, pang-5, sabi ko sa'yo, Knight of Pentacles. You're going to embark on a journey. Sakay ka sa kabayo, dun ka patungo sa journey niya wherein you're going to claim, you're going to feel the improvement, okay, the progress, sabi ko kapag pera pinag-usapan. Okay, so sabi ko nga, you've been manifesting for it. Hindi to madali, hindi to one time, big time, hindi to overnight success for you. You need to get through for all of the challenges, but still, you need to push for it. Kumbaga, nasa tamang landas ka. Tama yung journey na tinatahak mo. Nasa tamang daan ka na tinatahak. Okay? Unang-una, hindi lang sa pera. Your happiness have been compromised. Okay? Kailan ka ba huling ngumiti, Taurus? Okay? Maybe, you've been smiling, you've been rejoicing, nagsasaya ka, but that's panlabas lang yan. But deep inside, it's like everything is very heavy for you. So with the Knight of Pentacles here, you're on the right track. Tama yung tinatahak mo, tuloy-tuloy mo na yan. Hindi mo man makita yung result, yung bunga sa first part of the journey. But believe me, everything will make sense. Makikita mo yung bunga ng lahat ng yan dito sa dulo. Alright? So, Taurus, before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second row, ulitin ko kapag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe at nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading ngayon, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, paki-follow na rin po. And if you want to avail of private reading, dito lang po sa account na to, digit na account na to, kayo mag-message. Kayo po ang mag-message. Hindi po ako yung unang mag-message sapagkat kung may taong may account na mag-message sa inyo, hindi po ako yung scammer po yan. Gamit pong pangalan yung kamukha nyo, no? Ito lang po sinasabi ko sa inyo, please. Okay? So, pang-6, Taurus, Ace of Wands. We're going to plan. Sabi ko nga masasagot talaga itong mga manifestation mo ni universe, ni God here. Look at the ones that there's a hand holding. This is like a blessing from heaven, from the universe. And bigay nito, Emperor na to, bigay ito ni universe para sa Taurus. Para muli kang makapagsimula. Muli mo itatanim, you're going to plant a new seed of hope, of new journey, of transformation, wherein, sabi ko nga, walang masama sa muling pagsisimula sa pag-restart as long as it is where you're going to be happy. So, hindi ka napapag-iwanan. You have your own timeline. And that's how the process of the universe works here. Hindi naman pwedeng sabihin, dyan ka na forever. It needs to end. It's because there's something better na ibibigay sa universe. And with the Ace of Wands here, sabi ko nga, okay? Bigay yan sa ni universe. Ito mga parating na mga bagong ideas, bagong opportunities na masusunggaban mo or talagang i-accept mo or sisimulan mo, it's for the betterment of your life. And you're going to plant a new seed. Sabi ko, muli ka magtatanim ng isang panibagong chance of opportunity of hope and prosperity for you, right? So, ang ganda, Taurus, Ace of Pentacles. Sabi ko sa'yo, I know you've been manifesting with the improvement about money or finances here. Because your situation lately, Taurus, is like, hindi ko sinasabing wala, but parang, medyo kinakapos talaga. Medyo deficit, Everything is not, kumbaga, making sense for you kapag perang pinag-uusapan dito. Sabi ko, with the Death card, matatapos yan, matitigil yan, matutuldukan yung problema mo, and there will be a rebirth, a restart for you. And with the Ace of Pentacles here, napampito mong Baraha, Taurus, so expect massive improvement, transformation, Hindi lang siya normal na pentacle. It's a big pentacle here. So it means magkakaroon talaga ng solusyon, ng kagaanan, ng kahit papano hindi na tulad ng dati. Itong kapag pera pag-usapan yung problema mo, kapag you're really thinking about it, hindi na yan tulad ng sa parating para sa'yo, the Ace of Pentacles here. Kung dito, yung may hand dito na bibigyan ka ng chance muli makapagsimula. Also here, this blessing is galing kay universe. Look at the hands here. There's an offer of help, okay, of restart for you, but gamit ang pera dito. Okay? Ooh. Tingnan mo. 3 of Wands. Ang katapat niya, 7 of Cups dito. Sabi ko, gulong-gulo ka. Nasa sitwasyon ka na hindi mo alam ang nangyari ng lahat ng bagay sa iyo. Right? So, with the 3 of Wands here, believe me, there will be healing. There will be moving on. Sabi ko, tutulungan mo sarili mo dito. I can see na talagang kakayanin mo to. Help yourself to move forward. Talikuran ng lahat ng yan. Gaano man kabigat yan. Gaano man kasakit yan. But still, if it's not working for you anymore, please consider yourself now. Love yourself. Sabi ko ito, na-compromise na matagal pa noon yung happiness mo. Matagal na panahon na imbes na ikakasaya mo, medyo ibinibigay mo pa sa iba. Medyo, kumbaga, ginagamit pa ng iba. And now, Taurus, you need to turn your back, kalikuran mo yan, mag-move forward ka. Unahin mo naman sarili mo dito. For your own growth, for your own sanity, for your own improvement. Okay? Love yourself first here. Right? King of Cups, tingnan mo. King of Pentacles, hindi lang pera ang minamanifest mo for a long time. Even your career, gusto mo makahanap ng magandang trabaho dito na stable, kahit paano yung align ka sa skills, sa may papakita mo, nagmamanifest ka ng isang stable na job wherein you will be happy, rewarded, appreciated. Ito nakikita natin dito, Taurus, as a King of Cups here. So sabi ko nga, with the Emperor card here, there will be manifestations na isasagutin para sa inyo. And with the Death card, sabi ko may matatapos, matatanggal, mag-end, lahat ng yan. Mga frustrations and disappointments mo lately, and it will be it will be rewarded o may kapalit yan na sabi ko nga, stability, improvement of finances, harmony, good job na kumbaga magandang trabaho where you will feel valued and appreciated dito. 10th and last card mo, Taurus, tapusin natin itong reading mo. Wow! Pasabog ang panghuling baraha, Wheel of Fortune. Roleta ng kapalaran. The cards are very clear here, Taurus, that iikot naman sa'yo yung roleta ng swerte. Sabi natin, ang buhay sa mundo ay gulong ng palad. Hindi pwede, Taurus, na lagi ka nasa ilalim. And you need to prepare yourself. Handa mong sarili mo because all of these cards are very promising. Pinapakita nito na talagang it's been due time, talagang overdue na itong pag-transform mo, pag-ikot ng buhay mo ngayon from all of these painful experiences, from all of these problems and challenges now. With the Death card comes ending and rebirth. Okay, Ace of Wands, new beginning. Ace of Pentacles is big improvement in finances. Okay, King of Pentacles, stability. King of Cups, harmony here. Alright, Emperor, guided. Manifestations being answered. And we're going to end this reading, Taurus, with the Wheel of Fortune. Expect good news, opportunities, okay, that will be knocking on your door. Congratulations in advance. You truly deserve this, Taurus. And I'm so happy for you. Sana maraming nasa Taurus ang makapanood nito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod, sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta, pagmamahal at laging panonood hanggang susunod nating pagkikita. Nasa man kayo naroon, ano man ang ginagawa niyo, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.